like to give a shout out to the Brazilian Hot Dog 724. Thanks for supporting the channel, buddy. I really appreciate you with me week in and week out.
Check it out.
All right, we're going to be putting in a 16 by 7 C.H.I.'s new full vision insulated door. It has insulated glass. This is the opening. Waiting on my guy Bo to get here so that way we can get after it. Stay tuned. Yeah, so I'm super pumped up about this. Put this insulated full view door in. It weighs about 550 pounds, so we're going to double hang it to the ceiling. It's a lot of weight hanging, so yeah, we're going to put on this nice LiftMaster ceiling mount. It's a model 195 LM. So if we open up the box here, right there is what's going to come in it. This ceiling mount looks really slick, so I'm sure a lot of y'all out there have not seen one of these, but yeah, you're going to have to check this out with this door. It's going to look fantastic.
2 hours later.
So this full view here, it's a 3297R. And all your full views, you know, that aren't insulated, they're just, it's hollow through here, and it's hollow through there, and goes all the way down. So what they do is they take the insulation right there, they'll run the length all the way down there and fill up the centers, and they put on these end caps, kind of like on a steel back door. They just cap it off. So that's the difference with the new full view door. All right, so we noticed when we put on our hinges, C.H.I. puts this screw right there. And you know, if you put your hinge over the top of that, you can definitely tell it bends the hinge. So we've been taking these screws out and just moving them down, relocating them down in the halfway position somewhere in this area. That way that hinge lays nice and flat. All right, we finished it up. This model 3297R. Here we go.
Very quiet.
Super quiet. Got the LiftMaster 8550. That ceiling mount looks fantastic.
That's crazy.
All right, so there it is. We got we split the springs up because the wire size is a 292. They're pretty tough, and I didn't want 2 springs on 1 spring bracket, so we doubled up that spring bracket there, and eliminates a lot of the bounce out of that tube as well. But yeah, 3297 insulated glass. This is a brown frosted windows. Let's raise her up.
Very quiet.
Nice and smooth. All right, folks, thanks for dropping by the channel today. Appreciate you watching.